Welcome to Impact Physics. Today we are going to be discussing about resistance and what Ohm's law. Now, resistance is the property of a conductor to oppose the flow of electricity, or you can say it is the ability of a conductor to oppose the flow of electricity. Now, when electrons flow through a conductor, they collide with the atoms in the conductor, and these atoms tend to oppose the flow of these electrons. So the ability of a material to oppose the flow of electrons or charges is what we refer to as what? Resistance. And resistance is measured in what? Is measured in ohms. You can see electrons flowing, so there's a possibility for them to encounter atoms inside this conductor or matter. Atoms are actually inside matter. Yes. So if they encounter that, it will serve as a kind of opposition, and they will not be able to flow freely, as they're supposed to. So there's what we call Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that the potential difference across a conductor is directly proportional to the current flowing through it. I will explain that, provided that resistance is constant. Now look at this. It tells you that if you do more work here, remember I explained electricity, electric current, I explained work done. I told you need to do work for electrons to move from one point toward another. Now, this law is saying that if you do more work to move electrons, that electrons would, you generate more current. Yes. And if you do less work, you generate less current. So the more work you do to move electrons from one point to another, the more current you get. And the less work you do, the less current what you get. You can just say that Ohm's law states that the voltage is equal to the current times the resistance. You're still making sense. So there's something I want to derive here. I want to alter this work done we derived before a little bit. So if work done is IVT, recall, we have already done this before. In case you don't know this, you check the previous video on my YouTube channel, Darlington_physics. So look at this. If V from Ohm's law is equal to IR, if we were to put this here, look at what we're going to have. W will be equal to what? I in bracket IR multiplied by T. And then we are going to have I times I will be what? I square R what? T. And then we're going to stop here. So this is another equation for what? For work done. As you can see, W is equal to I square ROT. Yes. So please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go to my channel on YouTube, Darlington_physics. Subscribe is free of charge. Just subscribe so that you have access to my videos. If you have issues, do well to comment, and definitely I will attend to the comments. Thank you.